Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT in a Billet Silver exterior. On great tread, this Grand Caravan rides on 17-inch Michelin Energy Saver all-season tires. Under the hood, we have a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Grand Caravan 283 horsepower. On the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Grand Caravan seats up to 7 people with premium leather seating. If you're on the driver's side, you get access to power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the left, you have your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio control. As we head into the odometer, it reads 20,888 kilometers. This Grand Caravan comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, which you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we head into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. And going to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. It also comes with a tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, as well as the rear section of the Grand Caravan. It also comes with heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel. Moving to the second row, you have 2 captain chairs which can be used for stow and go and plenty of leg space. Heading on inside to the third row, you have 3 more seats, also with lots of leg space. As we move on up, we have the third of our tri-zone climate control system, and for entertainment purposes, pressing this button here brings down the DVD entertainment system. And once you're done in the back, we have a button right here that brings the power sliding door. Moving to the trunk area, there's plenty of cargo space. And if you need any more, the third row is a 60/40 split fold stow and go. Once you're done in the back, we have a button right here activating the power lift gate. So there you have it, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler. Get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.